Hello, Kindergarten 2 students. Welcome back to our reading tutorial. Okay, in this video, Miss will guide you how to read the words and sentences in English and Bahasa. So, you will read in two sessions. The first session, you will read the words and sentences in English. And the second sessions, you will read the words and sentences in Bahasa Indonesia. So please watch this video, then please train yourself to read the words and sentences properly. Okay, now let's go to the first sessions. We read the word in English. Number 1, glove, glove. Glue, glue. Play, play. Plug, plug. Slow, slow. Soar. Bike, bike. Right. Flower, flower. Clock, clock. Now we go to read the sentences. Number 1, she puts on the gloves. Next, the glue is on the screen. I play the clock to see the time. Okay. Don't plug it near the fire. He is slow to ride the bike. I got a sore hands. The bike is on the cliff. We ride the bike. The flower is mine. The clock is near the frame. Sekarang kita masuk ke sesi 2. Kita baca kata dalam bahasa Indonesia. Kalau tidak bisa membaca langsung boleh dieja. Oke, nomor 1. L-A-La, C-A-Kacak, lacak. K-A-K, T-A-Katak, katak. R-A-Raka, rak. S-A-Sa, raksa. B-I-K, bik. S-U-Su, biksu. T-A-K, tak. S-I-Si, taksi. M-A-Ma, K-A-N, kan, makan. R-U-Ru, M-A-H, mah, rumah. P-E-S, pes. T-A-Ta, pesta. L-E-M, lem. B-U-Bu, lembu. P-U-T, put. R-A-Ra, putra. Selanjutnya, kita baca kalimat dalam bahasa Indonesia. Nomor 1, lacak lokasi peta. Kata bisa melompat. Jangan sentuh air raksa. Saya lihat ada biksu. Mama pergi naik taksi. Ayah sedang makan. Rumah Rumah kami sangat indah. Hari ini saya pergi ke pesta. Kami lihat ada lembu. Ibu memiliki 1 putra. Okay, students, that's all about our reading tutorial. So, after watch this video, please train yourself to read the words and sentences. And don't forget, like usual, you have to record it. Ask your mommy or your teachers to help you for recording. And then send to our WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you, students. See you on our next reading tutorial. Bye-bye.